Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with the Super Sassy Earring Club, which is a club you can sign up and they will send you monthly paper earrings, which I love. Fun, lightweight earrings. So this is a cool club, and the one I'm going to show you today is from March. Okay, so it comes closed and then you open it up, and this is the March design. Every month they have a different artist who will design that month's earring club. Okay, so how this works, every month comes with hooks. So this bends down, and then you can see it comes with a pair of hooks, earring hooks. Overall, I am loving the colors in this month's earring collection. And some of these will be earrings. So like the astronaut gals are a pair of earrings. These stars are a pair of earrings. So I like both of those. These blue shapes, oops. These blue shapes are a pair of earrings. Ooh, I'm really liking this one. I think so far this is one of my favorites. The Earths are earrings. A pair of comet earrings. And then some column earrings. So overall, I would give this collection a big thumbs up. I really like the astronauts, I really like the Earth and the stars. So I feel like there are several pair of earrings in this collection that I really like, and a few I would probably not wear as much. Maybe I would like these more on than I think. The little blue, whatever you want to call them. I mean, the columns, I feel like probably wouldn't wear those very often, but the Earths, the astronauts, and the stars I think would all be super fun. So let me know in the comments below if you would wear paper earrings. They are a really nice thick weight. So they're still lightweight, but they're very sturdy. These are gonna be super cute, especially for Earth Day, which I think is coming up. That's probably why they did it. So let me know in the comments below if you would wear paper earrings and what you think of this collection. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a fabulous day.